New computers often come loaded with software you never asked for. In this video, we will explain how to disable bloatware in Windows. Bloatware refers to pre-installed apps and trial programs that take up space and sometimes slow your system. The simplest approach is to uninstall them. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, and scroll through the list. When you spot a program you do not want, click it and choose Uninstall. Many manufacturer trials, games, and promotional apps can be safely removed this way. For built-in Windows apps you rarely use, you can often uninstall or hide them from the Start menu by right-clicking. Be cautious, though. Do not remove anything you do not recognize, as some apps are important for your hardware to work. Disable unwanted startup entries in the Task Manager to stop bloatware from launching automatically. Turning off suggested content and app recommendations in your settings reduces future clutter. After clearing out the bloat, your computer feels cleaner, faster, and more focused on the tools you actually use every day.